Hello guys, another surprise of AliExpress for all avid online shoppers. They have now Black Friday offers. These events run until December 4 only. For those who have not yet registered on AliExpress, just check the link on the description ID of this video. This best deals of the years is up to 80% off. So if you use the Black Friday promo code, you can avail big discount on every order you make. Okay guys, let's check what the Black Friday promo offer for all of us. A lot of promo code there that you can collect. You can use that when you buy some items and to save a massive discount. They also have here a shopping guide. Take a look guys. You can use Black Friday sales price plus coupon to get a maximum discount. Let's try the discount items and let's see how much you can save by using the promo code. Take note guys, 1,000 of items here, the different categories that you can explore. What I like in AliExpress event guys, every time I order, because it's absolutely free shipping guys. So guys, what are you waiting for? Experience the best deals of the year. Experience their Black Friday promo. Some products here, like for example this perfume 100 ml, it cost $12.26 during their event, and by using promo code you can avail these items for just only 99 cents. You can save more than $11 at less 91%. So it's really good when you go online shopping during the event. So hurry up guys, sign up now and check their promo while it's offering.